Hi everyone. This is Gellis at Infinite Modesty Design. Of course, who we are a Toronto sewing and fashion studio, and we teach both in studio and we are transitioning with our online class coming actively very soon. So if you're interested in our online class, let us know. All right, I'm just doing a little sewing and I have just a little bit of time on my hand. I wanted to do a live from since Monday, I think, and there's a lot of, this week is school started. Well, school started yesterday actually. So sometimes I get distracted with so many different things. So if anyone watching me and they are in my class, and before COVID you had to stop taking my class, kindly contact me. Send me an email. I should have, or send me a Facebook message or any communication to actually get going with to finish the class, because a lot of people was taking my class. Well, not a lot, but a few people was taking my class, but I had to stop during COVID. Yeah. So anyway, I have a bag behind me. I wanted to make a video. Actually, we'll try to make a live video today on how to make a bag like this. So let's say you have a dress and you have scrap fabric and you wanna buy a bag, maybe to go to a wedding or church or I don't know, somewhere. I don't usually go anywhere much, but yeah. Yeah, I wanted to make a live video today for making a bag. So it's very, very simple. I cannot just pin it down here. So this is like, um, yeah, very, very simple bag. So I want to do a video today for it. So I don't know if anyone is on and you want to say hi. I'm actually using my husband's phone, so I don't really know how to manage the husband phone and chat. Yeah, so it's a wonderful day in Toronto. School have started, so my son is excited to go to school, which is very, very interesting. And I have more free time in my hand to sew. So let me know if anyone would be interested in my online class. I would be coming up with online classes, and I have been doing some sewing patterns, which I will talk about it more as I go along. I'll be sewing actually, so if anyone is interested in my online classes, let me know. And if anyone is interested in doing a sewing talk show, I would be starting a sewing talk show this week. So if anyone is interested in coming, sorry, want to talk, a few people had contact me, want to talk about sewing, want to talk about anything sewing. You love sewing like I love sewing, or more than me, awesome with the talk about sewing. So I would be starting a sewing talk show this week for any of my past students, present students, or anyone I met online that just loves sewing. If you're a person that you're a veteran in sewing and you want to give us some wisdom, awesome. So that's the kind of show I want to come up with. So again, I'm gonna try to do another live video today with making a very easy clutch bag that you could make with scrap. I'll also drop a YouTube video as well. But yeah. So how is everyone's day today? I don't know who's watching me live because I'm using my husband's phone, so I have no clue what's going on actually. I just wanted to come on board, do my little sewing, and talk for a little bit. I know it's early. It's a beautiful day today. And if you haven't already joined my Facebook group, I'll put the link. Actually, once the video is over, I'll actually put the link in the comment or so. You could join the Facebook group, and there is a poll there to vote. I'm working on getting a lot of people to sign up to take commitment to do some sewing projects. So the sewing challenge, it would be free itself. So the only thing is that you have to join the group. Once you join the group, it's easier to communicate with you through the free challenge, and then we could be sewing. I don't have some projects with me, but I think some of the option we have is bag, a tote bag, which is going to be a fancy tote bag you could wear to wherever. Actually, I have her thing with the bag here. So I think I posted a picture. So this would be the bag I wanna it will be similar to this. So we have it as a grocery tote bag, but again it's a tote bag you could wear. So that will be one of the project. I think I have it on my Facebook page, a picture. And these things I'll be teaching you once you join the sewing challenge. Once you join the Facebook group and you sign up, and then I could announce when we're gonna do the sewing challenge. The sewing challenge is gonna be live only in my group or on Zoom. Yeah, so I'll be giving you instructions of what to do, and we'll definitely, so that's just one of the projects we'll be doing. There's a lot of other projects that is there. I'm planning to do it. It's gonna be a week, like a once a week. No, not once a week. The challenge would run for 1 week. So I don't know if it's just the bag we will do, or there is some people put option for skirts, for face masks. So there's a poll in there that you could actually vote if you're interested in doing the challenge with us. So definitely, if you're interested in taking part in the challenge, which I really encourage everyone to do. If you're into sewing, whether you have needle and thread, come on board. You will see the one that you could do with just needle and thread. That's what could be your starting foundation. And then, yeah. Also, like I said, we have in-studio class. And I'm working heavily on online classes, which would be launching. I'm not sure when it would be launching, but if you are interested in online classes, let us know as well. Yes, ma'am. So again, if anyone put any comment, I can't see anything at all. I don't know why I can't see anything, but I don't think there's any comment here anyway. Because I'm using my husband's phone, so it's kind of hard to. I'm not really sure how his phone works, but he have a great camera on his phone, I think. So that's why. When I say I think, sometimes my laptop just give me as if I have good quality on the camera, and then when I go on the Facebook page, the video look bad to me. So let's see how the quality is. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so for the last try again, I'm just going to be making a live bag today. So sometime today, I will be making it into my group as well as into my page. But as moving forward, as my group grow, as the group grow itself, I would be doing most of my DIY video in the group. And of course, I'll be doing a YouTube video as well to post on YouTube. So not much I have to say today than to join the group to get connected with any challenges I may have, sewing challenges, needle and thread, sewing machine, anything. Definitely, once you're interested in sewing, it's a good way to get started. All right, so thanks again for your time. I just wanted to do a quick DIY because I wanted to do a live since Monday. Yeah, since the week start. So thanks for joining me.